What's up guys, how you doing? My name is Arnav and welcome back to the channel. Now, in this video we are going to be looking at how to make your own logo for YouTube and other video sharing websites. Now before we get started, remember to subscribe, hit the notifications, like this video and share it with your friends. Let's get right onto it. Now, what is a logo? Well, logo is something that can represent your channel, sort of. But yeah, let's just get right into it. So first what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna go to drawings.google.com, I think. Yes, it is. Drawings.google.com. Now I'm gonna show you how I made my logo. Now you're gonna just go to your shapes. And now as I did, I'm gonna go like try oh no, never mind. I'm gonna delete that. Let me do that again. Now, as I said, I'm going to go for a triangle. Oh, I clicked the wrong one. A triangle. 1 and 2. Now, with these triangles, I'm going to put it together a bit. Let me put that on that 0-degree angle. And now, I'm just going to flip it around. Now, it's going to come up here. I'll show you how I did my logo right now. So, this is the beginning of my logo. But now, I'm just going to put it a bit like, let me just tilt it a bit more until it's like a real triangle. Different. That's hard. Oh god, I'm gonna be having some trouble with this. But okay, I think I'll switch these around. Now it'll be a half inch. Okay, now I made it. Now I'm gonna just make sure I just do something like this. And now I'm gonna put it right up here. Until that thing comes here. There it is. I'm there, close. There it is. Come on. I can do it. Gotcha. Now it's gonna be something like that. At least it is a bit on the other side. But now, as I put my color in, I'm gonna go to your color right here, and I'm gonna click on gradient. Click on this color, and then same for the other one. Gradient, and then you're gonna go on this one. So how I did the black background on the back is I'm gonna go to my shapes again, and I'm gonna do a square. I'm gonna start from here to the end. And boom. Now as you see it's covering, but that's not all. You're going to click on the black color, and now you're going to click on arrange, order, and send to back. And boom, that's how I made my logo. At least it's supposed to be the other way. But that's okay anyways. That's how I made my logo, guys. So once you're done with that, so this method only works on Chromebook. If you want, I can do this I can do it for Windows or Mac OS, but I don't have any device for that. I'll try virtual, I mean. So you're gonna click on Control Shift on your Chromebook. Then at the top where the F1s to F10s are supposed to be, there's supposed to be a square or a rectangle with I think it's two lines next to it. So you're gonna click that. Your screen is gonna become darker. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna see a cursor, but it's a different thing. It's like some how do I say? A vertical and horizontal line with inside a circle. So you're gonna click here. Now, as you see, when you drag it down, you're gonna start from the top left. Yeah, the top left of your black square to the bottom right of your black square. So once you leave it, now your screen will become bright again, and it's gonna show screenshot taken. Once you're done with that, you're gonna go to YouTube. So once you get into YouTube, you're gonna go to your channel. Then I'm gonna click on my channel, go to your channel. Now you're gonna click on customize channel, and you're gonna click on this edit this pencil by your logo of your channel. Click on that, edit channel icon. You'll click on edit. So now it's gonna show this. Now it's gonna show you pick a photo. Your photo is not gonna show up here, but you're gonna click on upload photo. And then you're gonna go to this screenshot right here. Click on it 2 times, and you're gonna click on open. But I'm not doing that because I already have my logo set. Then that logo is gonna show up here, and then back at your channel, you're gonna reset it, and then it's gonna come. Well, that's how you make your own logo for your own channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and tell me in the comments if you want to do a how-to tutorial of how to make your own logo on Windows or Mac OS. Even though I don't have one, I'll try to install a virtual machine. Well, anyways, that's it for today, guys. See ya!